Hello, Maman.
Hello, Dewi.
I have five vocabulary about biology. First, CAT. CAT.
T. C-A-T. Cat.
Yes. Number two, GRASS.
G-R-A-S-S. Grace.
Yes, that's correct. Number three, GENETICS.
Genetics. Genetics.
Yes, correct. Number four, EVOLUTION.
Evolution. Evolution.
Yes, right. Number five, A, no, no, EARTH.
A A R T H. Arch.
Yes, good job, Maman.
By the way, I have five about biology. Number one, CELL.
CELL. Cell.
Yes. Number two, VIRUS.
VIRUS. Virus.
Yes. Next, number three, MEOSIS.
MEOSIS. Meiosis.
Yes. Number four, MEMBRANE.
MEMBRANE. Membrane.
Yes. Number five, SPECIES.
E S P E E C I E S. Species.
Yes, that's good. Thank you, Dwi.
Thank you, man.
Dadah.